this is a short summary of Improvers Solo Cha-Cha routine number 8. Had to check that then. Routine number 8, yes. And it was taught on the 10th of September 2020. We also reused it as another practice session on the 17th of September 2020 as we didn't have a chance to give a new routine in that particular class because we were too busy working on actual techniques rather than patterns. So taught once, practiced twice. It was quite a long routine, so I'll go slowly-ish. And then, like I say, you can see this in the whole class. If you're looking in, if you want to see the whole breakdown and the full teaching of this in the full class, it was on the 10th of September 2020 if you're looking in our playlist. Let me face the front and make a start. We had a basic first. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Half a slow grapevine to the right, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then going this way, a faster grapevine, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Okay, now from here, I move into the center so you don't lose me. Susie Q, 2 and 3, double tap, 4, 5, walk back, 6, 7, 8, tap on 1. I'm slightly off the screen, let me do that slightly further forwards. Basic, 2, 3, cha cha cha, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. 2 and 3, 4, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Last time. Just let me break that fast grapevine timing down because that is very fast. Tapped on 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. And my weight's on the right. So I'm going 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. And then my left foot's ready for the Susie Q. Susie Q, tap, tap, walk, 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 tap. Next one, locking cha-cha, going forwards. 2 and 3, tap 4, slide 5 and 6, tap 7, cha-cha side 8 and 1. Just that one bar on its own again. We've got 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is the tap, 8 and 1. Let's do all 3 bars together. So we've got 1, 2, 3, cha cha cha, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Now, kickball change with the right foot. Here we go. A little bit looking into the corner. Kick, ball, change. Push the foot through and then swivel it round to the back for a ronde and then straight into a back sailor. Right and left. And over those 2 sailors, I angled myself a little bit more to the left-hand wall. Okay, so let's do that again. Kick, ball, change. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Let's do all of that so far. Basic. 1, 2, 3, cha cha cha, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Facing the left wall. Now, from here, we're going to do 2 spot turns, one spot turn, right foot, left foot, and then we're going to do a backwards cha-cha across the room. So I'm going here, right, left, cha-cha, back. 2, 3, 4 and 5, that is. I then put my weight on my left foot, going forwards, 6, 7, 8, 1. Let's just do that bar. Did the 2 back sailors, boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Hopefully that's okay. We're facing that direction. Now, next one, from that 8-1, I do an unwinding turn, 2 and 3, 2 Susie Q's, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, and then a side lunge prep, side lunge turn. Timing again. I've just tacked behind on 1. I use 2 and 3, little drop, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. And try not to fall over, I should concentrate. Okay, let me do the whole thing from the top. And 2, 3, cha, 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 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. There we go. Short summary without the music. I'm actually going to record in separate video with the music so that as I upload these to the various different platforms I'd like to upload them to, I don't get banned. I realised the other day that if I keep uploading things with music in the background onto certain platforms, I will get banned. So look for solo routine cha-cha number 8 with music and without music. Okay,